Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is living as heirs of God's promises. You see, friends, what does it mean to be an heir? You see, an heir is someone who hasn't yet received the inheritance, but it's already granted. You see, in Joshua chapter 1, 4-6, God told Joshua, "You will divide the land as an inheritance." But at the moment, the land was still occupied. It was a promise not yet seen, yet already theirs. And the writer of Hebrew explains why this matters to us. You see, God confirmed his promise with an oath, so that we, who are heirs of the promise, might have strong consolation, knowing it is impossible for God to lie. Hebrews chapter 6, 17-18. You see, here's the point. God's promises are not possibilities. They are certainties. You see, to be an heir of God's promises means we can live with courage even in uncertainty, because our future is already secured in Christ. You see, Israel had to step into the land to claim it, and we too must step into God's promises, choosing faith when fear surrounds us, hope when life feels heavy, obedience when it's easier to compromise. So remember this: you are not fighting for victory, you are living from victory. You see, the inheritance is already written in your name. Live today with the courage of someone who knows the future is secured, because you are an heir of the kingdom. God bless.